The ongoing student-led hunger strike at the Northeastern Hill University, Nehu, has reached its 9th day today, the 13th of November 2024, attracting solidarity from various community organizations, including the Hynniewtrep National Youth Front, HNYF. Its President Sadon Blah, while visiting the protesting students, expressed serious concern about the reported administrative issues within the university that have led students to such a drastic form of protest. Sadon Blah criticized the university's deteriorating conditions due to the state and central government and the VC overlooking the demands of the students, which include major administrative changes. At the forefront of their demands is the call for the resignation or removal of Nehu's Vice-Chancellor, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, amid accusations of mismanagement and alleged irregularities. Sadon Blah emphasized that this demand should prompt the Ministry of Human Resource Development's intervention, signaling that the HNYF intends to raise these concerns with the ministry to seek accountability.
Unggal ada ka jing lekai jong central government jong state government jong BC ya ka education scenario hakan ka higher education bulan po university namar ba ki khna ki bawan angni long ki dei ba bakwa man perkiu ka career jong ki ya ka academic career ko jong ki ha kardan ma fair ka kum ko jing ko ga jong ki hindai ka ni ka jing le satlop ko jing le matlop jong BC ru jong ka central government ru jong wat ka state government ru kam comment ye halor kani ka banta kani hi ka peni ba ka Nehu nalor ba kala her kardan haka report haka grading ka jong ka ngapani kani ka jingle juki kanum don ka kanum phalang da ko moi pan re kan nang pen her kardan chu ka Nehu bal kan de ka jingle aranya ka jela ba ko ba ka jingle alanya ka university hi ru ka bangi kwa ban pau nang kaleng ka sangi ka long ba ka baki kumangal karan mentan bagi samla ke wan ini kalau pursue ya ka academic career ke jongki kamdai ya ki bakin poi syak agitational mood hadu bakin haban syong da ka jing syatngan ya ka jing le kuman jongki bor ba dipet jong Nehu tengi na ka sengru ngibu ba ka jing dawa bangin sa jing tho syak Ministry of Human Resources ba ka di sim khiam no mardor ka ni kam ba da kum no katkum ka jing kwa ki samla puli ni hangni hadin balalap ka krum karam jong kar kompanya yang ni university ngiru nak sangi dawa ba ubisi de ban her mardor bat ngi sai ka jing thoru sya ka habi de ba banta hi kai ka bangi laju asngau hina du la sedang ni jing hi persya university nomor phimdai ngimdai ban pai tang kan Nehu hendai nadu ba ka sarkar BJP kala yo ban secara po central government kala persyang ban bu ide kibri la jong ngala bonong la persang ban bu ide ki RSS kadar haba baro kim kita ki klik jong university te kani ka perlong university bon donut hadu kani bon slur hadu kani bon MC hadu kani tang ban sngo ban sngap ya ke jingut jong ki khna pulih ni bat ki nong hikai hang niru ka patiau syu ba ka ju ko por central government ru kam patiau syu namar ba ka dei ke jing persang ba kata bang yong kata ka hindutization ya ka educational scenario for India hi bro ko bai men hang ni la dang yakran ka jing thung UBC ru haki ba kat kum balapau haki media haki report haki committee fair ka jing thung UBC ro kala bakla lupa tenolong ta uni UBC pa uthung sagi semen la jong sundan haman ki benta ki ba kongsan jong ka Nehu te kani ka peni ba kadon kadau kan challenges jong kani bro ban kadon kadau challenges jong kani bro khoi namar kani ketika only central university ka badon po Meghalaya ka jongi bat ki sim kabu ya kani la banong kan nepotism ka jor hangne ka corruption ka jor hangne na kibriu ki ba kwa ya kan nepotism ka corruption ki kwa ba kan don ka nepotism.
One of Nehu's senior faculty members, Dr. D.R.L. Nonglai, shed light on the students' initial demands, which included the removal of the registrar, deputy registrar academics, and other alleged illegal appointees. However, the students' focus has since shifted primarily toward the removal of the Vice-Chancellor of the university. Dr. Nonglai echoed Sadon Blah's sentiment, underscoring the need for both the state and national level government intervention, particularly from the Ministry of Education, to resolve these issues and restore order at this important institution.
Jinglong jingman jo ikna, but kini ikna menta kelaya jakasingi ke bakhandai. Jong ka jingsha jinget baklem bupor ke jongki. Ti ngi ladon ke jingsokhia ke bakrau hadu kata-kata. But ngi lakwa tenge ba ke Sarkar Ministry of Education Government of India kan penbej no ene kam kloi ke bala khnang ba kan nembu ye kiniki khna ki basha thangan haga jingma namar kiniki khna menta la khandai singi ki sha thangan ti kan simpore ki arlai benai banyo biang ye ketu ka bor ka bakila do ti kumnu kin betengi ki jingpule jongki kan kata ye jingpule jongki but kalalong ke kam ka ba la raja ti ka sarkar hi ka habban sim ye ka jingkle to ti kumba kalong menta ngam kwa ye ka ban kren sibon na kene ka por la bon kinong yalam na keleng jongki students union but kum juru kino ikai ke bala ekran ti kumbang sotho menta kala dai ka por ka ba dan kam hadu kata-kata imat na keleng jong state government chief minister chief secretary jong state government nang tau governor kila simkhia ne kam but let's say kila ekran but ka ministry of education tinggal try ke Ministry of Education pro menta kala simkhia namar ba kini kala long ndai sho tang ke issue ke bahasa long lani hanot is ndai kala long ka national issue te klempep kan persyangi kilat kilanti kumno ban wengno ye kini ke jing tang ba ke ba ngakwa ye ke ban pau kene ke por kolong ba kita ki competent authorities lakalong nakaleng jong governor lakalong nakaleng ka state government ke bala ban ai chingmat lakalong naka Ministry of Education ke bala ban sem ya kanu garai ka dai basuthu ya ka jingdawa jongki students ki ba la yalam ya ka jingaki sem ya kanu garai ka dai basuthu ya ka jingdawa jongki students ki ba la yalam ya ka jingaki ka jingdawa ka jongki ba mensiwa ka long ban weng no yo registrar yo way deputy registrar but ban toket yiki way pat ki jing thungkam bi an la ka long ye ki teaching post lani ki non teaching ro te hnrei haba u vice chancellor pia shukla sim le ai la shu ngap manthi kilarai baka jingdawa kan omlong shu tangye kita nrei kan longno ba uni udai ban hershuki ban step down dan resign lani baka bor ka bahalor kan wengno yo ka jingdawa ka long bet ya ka removal ya o vice chancellor tikitu ki wei ki jingdawa ki long secondary ka jingdawa ka ban kong ka long ben bat kata ka long tang ka wei hi ya menta ka jingdawa ba uni udai ban step down lani ban weng no yo ti kumno ban weng yu nang ni na Nehu ti ka syong ha Ministry of Education kala ban le ta kanu ka rukam kat kum kilenti trai kam jongka nrei bo uni onnum dan syu hang ni kata ka dei ka ba ngalayo jingtep na ki khna ba ngala da kli ke to ti nrei menta ngila ban khmi lenti ba ka Ministry of Education kala ban persyang da ki weipat kilat klem da update lani klem da pensyong dor yakini ke jingdawa ke bamenta kila ban ong ngin thung no yam ki provinsi way is long but way ha tura Ti kata kanem long ke jing pen ulong ya ke jing dawa jongki kena namar ke jing dawa ke jongki kalong bantung ban weng no yu Vice Chancellor Bamenta Professor P.S. Shukla but bantung yu acting Vice Chancellor